Hi friends, let's learn family words in Chinese.
Grandpa, grandpa, nai, 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 grandma, grandma, baba, baba, daddy, daddy, mama, mama, mommy, mommy, go, 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 older brother, brother, jie, 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 older sister, dee, 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 younger brother, nay, 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 younger sister,我爱我的家 I love my family 我爱我的家 I love my family
Now friends, let's say all the new Chinese words together with us.
爷爷
Grandpa,
奶奶
Grandma,
爸爸
Daddy,
妈妈
Mommy,
哥哥
Older brother,
姐姐
Older sister,
弟弟
Younger brother,
妹妹
Younger sister.
Younger sister